Hello friends, this is Vinay and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use title bar window shake feature to minimize or maximize other windows in Windows 11. So let's get started. So first of all you need to enable title bar window shake feature, and for that you need to click on the start button and then select settings from the menu. Now here you need to select system tab on the left side, and then on the right side you need to select multitasking. Now here on this setting page you will find this option title bar window shake. Click here to turn it on. Now that you have enabled title bar window shake feature, let me show you how this feature works. So let's say File Explorer, uh, Microsoft Store or other open windows, and Edge browser is your active window. Now what you need to do is just by pressing the left key on the mouse you need to shake this, and this will minimize other open windows. Now to maximize the same windows you need to shake it again, and this will bring the windows back. So very easy and straightforward process. So what is your opinion about title bar window shake feature? Let me know in the comments, and if you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.